Today we have a question and answer in the diverse employment lesson, the third chapter of 5th class social science. Questions and answers. The first question, what did Kirti get for watering the garden? Answer, toffees as the reward. Toffee means sweets. Next question, how did Tejas' parents appreciate him for folding cloth? Answer, gifted a storybook. Next question, what do the elders in your home get in return for the work they do? Answer, income. Next question, hope you have observed the pictures of people involved in different activities. Which are the activities that each one is involved in? Answer, trade, teaching, playing carom board, health care, drawing, playing volleyball. Another question, which among these activities are rewarded in the form of the money? Answer, teaching, health care, trade. Next, which activities are rewarded with gift? Answer, playing carom board, drawing, playing volleyball. Next question, what is income? Income is money received by a person over a period of time as a result of engaging in various economic activities. Next question, in this poem, the poet hints of the various types of employment we choose after studies. What are the jobs mentioned in this line? Answer, agriculture, trade, teaching, military service. Next question, what is employment? Answer, employment is the work done by a person physically or intelligently for income. Its reward is paid in the form of wage or salary. Next question, complete the diagram. source of income, employment, agriculture, business, asset, bank, investment. Next question. Observe the list of income from various sources given below. Answer. Source of income. Two table. Employment. Opposite side wage or salary. Agriculture. Opposite scope. Business. Profit. Asset. Rent. Lease. Stock investment. Profit share. Dividend. Last, bank deposit. Interest. Next one, what is the personal income or individual income? Answer. Personal income is the total income received by a person from various sources of income during a particular period. Next one, what is family income? Answer. Family income is the received by all the members of family during a certain period. Next, what employment are seen in the picture? Textbook page 45-46. Answer. Driver, teaching, healthcare, cattle rearing, agriculture, lawyer. Next one, what are agriculture employments? Agriculture employment is the work done using the natural resource such as cultivation of plants for food and fiber production, animal husbandry and pisciculture, etc. Husbandry means krishi. Hi children, when I made this video, it was a bit long, so I made it was a 2 videos. If you like the class, please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.